8.
Octo disco.
3 4s. A 12.
Ride those rays. Switch, turn, switch, turn.
4 4s. A 16.
Party square.
Made of squares. 5 4s. A 20.
Big dance number. Tap, 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 tap.
6 4s. A 24.
Super duper ride those rays. Switch, turn, switch, turn.
7 4s. A 28.
Pick a pattern, party people.
Yeah! 8 4s. A 32.
Double, 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 double dance.
9 4s. A 36.
Woo! Big, big square.
Made of squares.
Up the stairs.
10 4s. A 40.
Great big rectangle.
Come on! 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. We know how to tell it straight. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32. 9 4s are 36. And when all the 4s are in the mix, 10 4s are 40. 4 on the floor, and 1 more 4 than the 4 before. That's what 4s are for, to get funky on the dance floor. 4 on the floor, and 1 more 4, that's 24, 28 and 32. Now 1 more 4 is here to make you dance.